my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. So guys, my name is Diva Decorating, and on this channel I do DIYs, home decorating, crafts, room tours, and etc. And if you're interested in things like that, then you've come to the right place. So today, guys, I have a Dollar Tree haul, y'all. Okay, I haven't did one in a long time, so I was going to Dollar Tree shopping, so I just said, well, I might as well do a video. Okay, so as I said, I got some things from Dollar Tree. I also got a couple of things from Family Dollar and Dollar General. So I will show you those two at the end, okay? So let's get into the haul, okay? Now, let's see what we got in here. Okay, guys, I'm going to share the snack bag with you first. Excuse the noise of the bags. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if the lighting is off in here. I'm filming in the evening, and the lighting kind of sucks in here. So please bear with me, okay? Now, I picked up these Jell-O strawberry cups. My husband loves these, so I picked up 2 packs for him. 2 packs, okay? And we always pick those up. We love the flavor. This is called a snack bag, y'all. Okay, I have to have my snacks. I always keep snacks for guests, even though they don't stay that long because mostly the family already eats them all up, okay? I don't have a sweet tooth, but I know they do, so I try to keep candy in the house. I picked up these watermelon. They're like watermelon slices, and these are so good, guys. I mean, I had these when I did the fall candy station, and I love them. Me and my grandson, we just love these. So I hadn't seen them for a while, so it must be a whole lot of other people liking these too. So I saw them today, and I just went on and grabbed me 2 of them. Also, I picked up some of these Hershey's miniatures, which has a couple of variety of candies in it. I picked these up because I like that it has a variety in it. It has the Crackle, and it has the Hershey, and it has the Mr. Good Bar. So I picked up 3 packs of those. Also, I picked up the Kisses. I always get the Kisses because everyone seems to love the Kisses. So I always try to keep the candy jar full with the Kisses. And I also picked up the orange slices as well. Now these are something that I, as a child, never liked. My grandmother would eat these all the time, and I never liked them until I got an adult. Now I love them, okay? I don't know why. It just tastes different to me, I guess, but I love these. So these are probably going to be the first thing that's gone. Oh, there was another bag of the Kisses. And I also got some lemon cookies, which I love. This is my favorite cookies. Yeah, they're very good. And for to be at Dollar Tree, not to be a name brand cookie, these are really delicious. You wouldn't be able to tell to me. Okay. Now, also while I was there, everybody knows about the top ramen. Got 2 of those. Okay, let's go to some of the craft stuff, okay? Picked up these, they call them Chanel stems. I call them pipe cleaners. Picked up 2 packs of these. These are for a DIY project. Also, I picked up 3 rolls of the pink decorative mesh. These are for a DIY project as well. So I got 3 of those. I hope I got enough. And also I picked up the red and the gold. They didn't have the plain red like I wanted. They have some gold in it too. But I'm going to make them work. I'm going to make them work anyway. So I got 3 of these as well. I also saw this little cute sequins keychain that I thought was just so adorable, shaped in a little heart. And you know, you can flip them back and forth and change the color. This is also for a DIY project. I may use this and I may not. I don't know. But I picked it up anyway. Okay. Also, I picked up these bows. I thought these were so adorable. I mean, I love the way the ribbon is all curly like that. And then it has the little gold ball in the middle. I thought this was just so cute. So, this is for a DIY project as well. So, yes. Got that. I have picked up all of these stems of roses. I think I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 7 bunches of these, the velvet roses. And this is also for a project. And I hope I did get enough of these, because if I don't, I have to go back and get some more. Yeah, so got 7 of those. What else? Okay, I got a bag down here. Picked up the dental floss picks because we were running out of those, so I picked those up. Got some of the soft soap, the cream soap. It is the refill, and I love using this. This is so soft on your hands when you're washing your hands. I love it because it is a refill, and I feel like you get more than $1 worth. This is really, really good. I make sure I pick up 2 or 3 of these when I get them. But today I only picked up 1 because I still have like a half of one left. So, yes, this is very good. Very creamy. I also picked up this brush. It's the liquid dispensing brush. I love it because you can put your dishwashing liquid inside of it, and you can use it to scrub your dishes. And the bristles are very good quality. I love using this. Mine was in need to be replaced, so I definitely needed to pick this up. Also, I picked up some hot sauce. Needed some hot sauce, so I got me 2 of those. I don't know, I'm just loving hot foods all of a sudden. I want hot sauce on everything. I don't know, it's just that taste. I have to have that hot sauce taste. If it's not the hot sauce taste, it's the cayenne pepper. I have to have cayenne pepper on everything as well. Okay, so I got my lemon pepper, which I was running low on. I really love using this on all my meats. This is really, really good. Don't have no business with this because I have high blood pressure, but I love this lemon pepper. I try to go easy on my foods with it. And I also picked up the garlic powder because I was running low on that as well. Oh, this was a find that I was very shocked to find, y'all. The turmeric, there, the capsule. It's an antioxidant, and it's a 12-pack. And I was very surprised to find these. So I went on and got 2 of these. Turmeric is very good for inflammatory, and I have arthritis, so this works well with my arthritis pain. Okay, they say if you take it every day, it helps with pain. So I picked up those. I also used the turmeric powder, which I love using on my foods as well. Okay, and I also picked up a brush. we needed a brush, so I went on and got that. And this has the hard bristles. So I like the hard bristles opposed to those other kind of bristles that other brushes have. Okay. I think there's one more bag from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, got one more bag here, guys. Oh, before I get into that, because I know I'm going to forget to show you guys this. Got some LA's Totally Awesome laundry detergent. This works pretty good. It has a stain lifter as well in it, and it's the, excuse me, it's the rainforest. So pick this up. Also got some napkin ring holders. I needed some more of these for DIY projects. Also, I picked up the screen guard. I love using the Dollar Tree screen guards as opposed to going to a cell phone store getting them because they're a little bit higher than $1 there. So, and these work really well from the Dollar Tree. So, yeah, got that. Also got these little mini red cups. I love using these for mouthwash. You could just use them and toss them. So these are very good. I love using those. Also, I got the Palmolive Soft Touch dishwashing liquid. It's the almond milk and blueberry scent, and I love using this. This is very soft on your hands, and it smells nice, and I love getting dishwashing liquid in different colors. So this is such a pretty lavender color. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, also I got these little LED tea light candles, which I have a lot of these. I got a million of them, but I always love to keep some extras. So pick those up. Also picked up the large trash bags. Got 3 of these. Okay, it is the 30-gallon, and it comes with 9 bags. It used to be 7. Now they offer you 9 bags in here. To me, they're not a good quality garbage bag, but for $1, it's a garbage bag. Okay, that's all I can say. It's a garbage bag. Okay, so we are finished with Dollar Tree. I'm going to go to Family Dollar now and pick up some 60-watt light bulbs. These are the old-fashioned kind, not the other kind, the energy-saving kind. I like the old-fashioned kind, so I picked those up. Dollar Tree, I see, doesn't carry those, I guess, anymore. At least mine don't. They carry those LED ones, I guess they call them the swirly ones. Also, I picked up some Sulfur 8, the original formula medicated, and the shampoo. I mean, guys, I've been seeing all over YouTube, people are going back to old products, even the Blue Magic grease. So I decided I'm going to try it. They say it's really growing your hair. So I have picked this up. So I said I'm going to try it and see if it really works like everybody's saying it works, but we'll see. We will see. We will see. Also, I picked up this candle from, did I tell you this is Family Dollar? From Family Dollar. It's the Odor Eliminating Revive Sparkling Eucalyptus Essential Oil Blend. Okay, and I got this for my bathroom because I have blue in my bathroom. So I wanted a blue candle. Okay, yeah, you can smell the eucalyptus. It's not a strong scent, but you can definitely tell that it is eucalyptus. Hopefully when I light it, it probably will be a little bit stronger than that. But yeah, I picked this up from Family Dollar, and I think it was about like maybe $2 to $3. So yeah, got that. Put that over here. And Lastly, I got this satin pillowcase. It comes with two in it. It is a 20-inch by 30-inch, and it's by Interiors by Design. And this is for a DIY project I'm going to use these for. Even though these are good to sleep on too, they say it helps your hair from breakage. Okay, so, but I'm using it for a project. Okay, let's move on to Dollar General. This is the last bag, guys. From Dollar General, I just picked up these Mr. Clean Nitrile gloves, and it is 40 in here. My Dollar Tree didn't have any latex-free gloves. They were all out. I used to get my gloves from there, and they didn't have them, so I just went on and picked these up, and plus I get 40 in them. They wasn't terribly expensive or anything, so I just went on and got them from there. I had to have the latex-free gloves, so. And also I picked up the digital alarm clock. I needed another alarm clock, so I picked that up. And last, this shirt. I think it's a shirt. It's a shirt I picked up from Dollar General, and it cost me $6. And I just wanted something, I don't know, just to wear around the house. I thought it was cute. It's black and white. So, yeah, that's how that looks. I picked that up. Okay, guys, so that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below. I'd like to hear your comments. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell twice so you'll know every time I upload a new video. So until next time, guys, my loves, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, my loves.